want to know how to make a very crispy and delicious deep fried pork? You're at the right place. Sawadee everyone! Monday, new recipe! I'm Nin. Welcome to my cooking channel. Don't forget to subscribe. The recipe I will show you today is very local recipe. This is how Chiang Mai people cook it at home. This is not something that you can find easily in the street. It's kind of a secret recipe. Are you ready? Let's go! For this recipe, the big steps will be marinate pork, make dipping sauce, deep fry pork, add fish sauce to the meat, then wrap it. For this recipe, I will use pork shoulder. Now, the dipping sauce. The first step you should start with is toast the rice. Now that it's toasted, let's pound it. Turns to a powder. Add 1 tablespoon in soy sauce and mix a bit. Now peel and slice the shallot. Cut the chili. Now you put chili and shallot in the sauce. Prepare lime to add lime juice in the sauce. the sauce tastes good, but I think it's a bit liquid, so I have to add more rice. It starts to be thicker. It's good. Alloy. Now let's cut the green onion and coriander and then put on top the sauce. Last step, deep fry pork. Before that, rub it with flour. Make sure you put oil enough to cover the pork and use only medium heat. Let it cook on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes, I guess. But just keep your eye on it. Keep your eyes on it and be patient. Now I think the outside of the meat is look good already, so I don't want to have it burn. I will change medium heat to low heat to let inside cook, and then outside is not burnt. I think it's ready. Look at this! Look at this! Now let's cut it.
Okay. That I really want to try. Yeah, I go first. I go first.
You go first. Try without sauce first. อร่อยนะ I already tried one piece before.
Perfect. Like crusty skin, inside cook perfectly, and you have like, yeah, when you eat it, you have some crunchiness. You have some kind of, it's soft because of the fat, right? So good.
So good?
Yeah.
And I'll try with the sauce.
With the sauce, just dip like that.
Yeah, you can dip or you can put the chili, shallot, like this maybe. Then you have a lot of flavor. Chili. Wait.
Chili doesn't want to come.
Okay. Even more Thai. Smell good.
Yeah. So the local recipe that you cannot find like in the street, as you said in the beginning, is it?
Fine, but it's not easy.
Yeah. Is it for the cooking of the pork, or for the pork itself, or for the sauce, or both?
No, for the pork.
For the pork.
For the sauce, actually, is น้ำจิ้มแจ่ว I think it's...
Yeah, I was about to say that.
Okay, try with the salad.
No, you try.
I try with rice. I like small pieces. I will put some sauce. Actually, you can eat with sticky rice, but it's my sorry.
Yeah, it's really, really good. So I will try to show. I don't know if you will see on the camera. So you have salad, you have some sauce on the top with everything that you've seen. And let's put that. It's delicious. Yeah, really delicious. Do it! Trust me, you will not regret.
Yes.
Do it!
Do it! And then share with your friends, your families, or your couples.
Your pets, your cousin,
Yeah, everyone.
your neighbors. Just share.
Alright, as always, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and what I say, share to your friend.
Everyone.
Everyone. And shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ Bye bye.
You can do it. You can do it.
Do it! Do
Do
it!
it.
That's a very big one. And normally
Still?
you're not supposed to just bite when you take something wrapped in salad. You have to put everything in your
Yeah,
mouth
one time.
in one time. So.
You are hamster now. Now you can join my team.